Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 28, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Third row, we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come the 3 cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. Column B, we already got 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth grade and fifth row, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Third grade and second row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Ninth grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column guys, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Ninth row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, fifth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Sixth row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, 10th row, column C, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. column F, 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 6, 1. 8th row, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column G, 5th row and 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th grade, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 1, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column C, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 4th grade. Then column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column G, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column E, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.